We are Pakistan, pot 49. There are certain solutions to the problems caused by deforestation. Deforestation's harmful effect on our environment can be drastic. Once an area is cleared of vegetation, it requires a lot of effort and money to regenerate it. Well, the following measures could be helpful to solve the problems caused by deforestation. Well, we can supply irrigation facilities to deforested areas with effective enforcement of regeneration. Regeneration programs, commercial species of trees which grow rapidly should be planted. We can we can do this by reversing land for the fuel wood plantation only. The valuable species of trees could be saved. In Pakistan, precious forest resources have been cut down just to supply fuel wood for domestic use. Creating public awareness by government agencies and non governmental organizations, the NGOs, and community workers about the hazards of deforestation. The supply of natural gas to the northern areas through discovery of new gas fields or imports from neighboring countries will make life easier for the people. Rapid deforestation has forced local people, especially the women, to trudge ever greater distances on foot to forage for firewood, which they then have to carry home in heavy bundles. The local availability of natural gas should put an end to this ordeal for them. By improving growing and planting technique, deforested area could be regenerated in a short period. Forest managers should try to find ways to make forestry more sustainable, for example, by ensuring that logging companies only use selective cutting methods or by restricting the use of heavy machinery in forest or by strict enforcement of forest laws or by enforcement of village farm forestry programs or by urban forestry programs which include planting of trees along main roadsides and in open spaces. Well, selective cutting means that harvesting selected single or groups of trees and they will have advantages and disadvantages. Let's talk about the advantages. It reduces crowding, promotes growth of younger trees, allows a more natural regeneration, more environmentally friendly forests. And the disadvantages are they are expensive, removal of some trees by machinery usually damages the others, which are not to be cut but they are damaged by the machinery. So there is a collective cordial damage as well. While planting fruit trees on the slopes of hills would provide food for local people and would help to protect the soil from wind and water erosion. Some other suggested methods of preventing or at least limiting soil erosions can be availed as well. Various techniques such as terracing, replanting of trees, grass, and hedges, contour plowing, and the strip cultivation can reduce soil erosion. Encouraging people to reuse and recycle timber paper and card would reduce demand for wood products and slow the rate of tree felling. Developing renewable energy resources such as wind and solar power would reduce the demand for wood as fuel. It would also improve air quality as renewable energy produces no smoke. Let's talk about the afforestation projects in Pakistan. The main objective of these projects is afforestation of ecological strength of Pakistan. The ecological critical areas certainly need the afforestation and which are under constant threat of land degradation, which causes damage to the environment. Afforestation projects may consist of selecting areas to be afforested, Managing plantations, developing ways of using forest products. Well, the small nurseries spread throughout the project area. Project officers are responsible for supplying seedlings